Hello friends, welcome to Shaury's Edulog Kids General Knowledge. What do bees collect from flowers to make honey? Answer: nectar. Which animal is also known as the sheep of the desert? Answer: camel. Which is the tallest bird in the world? Answer: ostrich. Which animal is known for sleeping upside down? Answer: bat. What do caterpillars turn into after growth? Answer: butterflies. Which animal is known for its black and white color and eats bamboo? Answer: panda. Which bird is known for its ability to dive into water to catch fish? Answer: kingfisher. Which animal is known for its ability to climb trees and has a long tail? Answer: monkey. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Answer: bee hummingbird. Which bird is known for its pink feathers? Answer: flamingo. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to our channel Shaury's Edulog. Press bell icon to get notifications of our new video.